What does 2024 hold for us? Welcome to a year that demands profound choices from consumers and brands. This is the dawn of a critical era, as anticipated in Foresight Factory's trend report titled Reckoning with Reality. The report foresees a reckoning across multiple realms of life, with humanity in flux. There are divergent perspectives on human exceptionalism and the integration of artificial intelligence. Trends like beyond human and choice partners showcase conflicting desires for biohacking, AI augmentation, and the pursuit of natural remedies. Millennials, however, express a sense of optimism towards AI, yet a conflict is brewing between technology and nature. The trend of human encounters, emphasizing natural interactions, is emerging as a crucial trend in the age of AI. This signals a strategic imperative for brands to embrace ethical AI development, addressing concerns about biases and privacy breaches. In the automotive industry, there's a call to encourage reliance on innate navigation skills alongside AI to combat cognitive decline. Retail should consider blending AI for routine tasks and human interaction for complex situations. And the travel sector should promote sustainable travel by appealing to consumers' responsibility towards animals. Meanwhile, the definition of health is at a crossroads, with backlash against the wellness industry questioning its commercialization and accessibility. Innovations like wearables and brain chips are reshaping health narratives. This presents another strategic imperative to promote health equity to ensure wellness is accessible for all. As we shift towards sustainability, consumers face sacrifices for ambitious climate targets. Vague sustainability claims are being dismissed, while brands recalibrate to meet consumer demand. This necessitates addressing consumers resistant to sustainability measures and offering alternatives for those unwilling to make sacrifices. In a fragmented world, the crafting of identity is on the rise with a surge of individualism and communal desires. Brands that balance personal expression and community connection are set to thrive. Energizing and engaging fandoms is a strategic move to foster brand loyalty. In conclusion, 2024 is a year that demands swift adaptation. Foresight Factory serves as a guide for brands navigating these shifts, seizing opportunities, and aligning teams with strategic corporate goals. Embrace agility, thoughtful strategies, and transformational growth for success in this ever-evolving business landscape. This is the reality of 2024. Welcome to the future.